contrast? So do you know anything about contrast?
Opposite, entirely opposite colors
Okay.
or shapes which are entirely opposite to each other.
Okay, fine. Anyone else? What is contrast?
Something sharp.
Sharp. Okay. Not exactly sharp, but yeah, there should be some other word to explain contrast.
Any example?
कहाँ पे देखा है contrast? देखा होगा ना कहीं पे?
Black and
Like
white.
black and white, yeah. Both are contrast, right?
A circle and a square or any edged shapes.
ठीक है.
Difference in shape or colors.
Difference in shape. Yeah, fine. But have you seen contrast somewhere? कहीं पे ऐसा word देखा है contrast?
Colors.
Everyone
Also,
use Instagram, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So in Instagram, if you post a picture, उसके options में edit में आता है ना contrast.
Yes.
If you make contrast high, what happens? And what happens if you make contrast low? Do you see?
The correlation between light and shade is what changes when we
The saturation increases or decreases.
Saturation का एक अलग option रहता है वैसे तो. But okay, fine. Saturation is different thing. Contrast is different thing. Even in
also,
your TVs, you can see contrast.
Contrast helps to pop the image more.
Okay.
Would you decrease the whiteness?
ठीक है. हाँ, whiteness, darkness. ठीक है. Rakesh, you wanted to add anything?
yes, if you also say, if you also like focus on the contrast text here, this is also contrast, right? The white background and the text is in black, so it's contrast only.
Yeah. So this contrast, this text is visible because background is white and this is dark.
Yes.
ठीक है. तो जब contrast होता है, then only you can see two things differently. Okay. So contrast is necessary, but contrast क्या होना चाहिए? Balance में होना चाहिए. There should be balance in contrast also. Then only it will be a good design. Okay. So contrast is what people mean when they say design pops. है ना, कुछ ऐसा एकदम पॉप हो रहा है तो बहुत ही कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कलर पहना है इसने, या फिर जैसे कि बहुत ही कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग पोस्टर बनाया है ना. So it always it comes away from the page and sticks in your memory. तो ऐसी कुछ चीजें एकदम से भड़कीली या फिर एकदम से ऑफ टोन जा रही है ना, तो it sticks your memory and it gives emphasis again, you can say. Fine. So in these images, these sketches, which one is better, first one or second one?
second one.
First क्यों नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है?
It's a bit too plain.
प्लेन है, राइट? तो यहाँ पे कॉन्ट्रास्ट
ये
नहीं है,
स्लाइड के बाद है.
there's no difference, है ना, बैकग्राउंड और फोरग्राउंड में समझ में नहीं आ रहा. But just by giving a bit of color or contrast in this things pops out. जैसे ऐसा लग रहा है ना 3D हो गया है, बाहर निकलेगा स्क्रीन से, right? So just by giving a bit of contrast, everything changes. Okay, next question is, which is the most beautiful part of human body? Eyes. Yeah, everyone agrees. Why is it so?
Fingernails also.
Contrast.
Fingers and their nails.
Now I know कि सब लोग कॉन्ट्रास्ट बोलेंगे, बट इसके पहले कभी आपने आइडेंटिफाई किया था कि क्यों आंखें इतनी अच्छी लगती है देखने के लिए? सबसे ज्यादा वहाँ पे होता है, ठीक है. योर दैट ब्लैक पार्ट इज देयर, आइरिस जो होता है वो ब्लैक रहता है, किसी लोगों का ब्राउन रहता है, ब्लू रहता है, एंड बैकग्राउंड इज वाइट. सो वाइट के ऊपर वो एकदम पॉप आउट होता है ना. सो इट इज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी, right? So even while doing makeup, what girls do, mostly they put eyeliners and kajal, है ना. So just by putting one line or one stroke over their eye, they make that beautiful part more beautiful, right? एकदम change हो जाता है. So this is what design is. Just by giving a bit more of contrast, everything. Okay, again here. Can you see contrast here? Guys, can you see contrast here?
Yes, some blue line.
Yeah. Blue line, again the logo, which is different. Yeah.
White and red.
Yeah. Right. Now you should be able to see contrast everywhere. आप अभी नॉर्मल लाइफ में देखोगे जो चीजें आपको पसंद है उसमें देखोगे तो बहुत सारा कॉन्ट्रास्ट मिलेगा. Again, coming back to Avengers, see how much contrast is there in colors. है ना? Dark background के ऊपर if you see something sparkling, golden, it directly catches your attention. Right? So this light plays a very important role. आप देखोगे इसके shadows इसके चेहरे पे जो पड़ रही है, एक साइड में लाइट है which is very bright and यहाँ पे which is very dark. So it creates a contrast and which feels interesting to humans. है ना? अगर इसको पूरा काला दिखा दिया होता तो मजा नहीं आता, पूरा गोरा दिखा दिया होता तो भी मजा नहीं आता. ठीक है? तो जो लाइट प्ले होता है उससे इंटरेस्ट डेवलप होता है, कॉन्ट्रास्ट डेवलप होता है.
And also, I want to add one more thing. Like whenever you are in traffic, so if there is ambulance, there is some sound like woo wee, जो भी ऐसा sound करता है, that is also contrast. आप तभी उसको जाने देते हो, and it defines like some urgency is there.
Yeah. तो sound में भी हाँ, even in you can say the beats of music, there are contrast. Okay, तो एक beat high रहेगा, एक high note लगती है, फिर low note लगती है, high note लगती है, low note लगती है ना? तो contrast is everywhere, if you can see. Even in food, there are combinations, right? With Coke, you will have pizza. Now pizza is very dry, है ना? Cheesy. But Coke कैसा है? Coke is in liquid format. Pizza is really hot, है ना? गरम गरम खाने में अच्छा लगता है. But Coke कैसा? ठंडा पीने में अच्छा लगता है. Both things are opposite, but they go very well with each other, right? Same goes with chai and pakoda, mayonnaise and momos, right? The texture, taste, state of food pairs with contrast. ठीक है? तो अगर contrast है चीजों में तो वो और interesting हो जाती है. Okay? I hope you guys got